Hi cosplayers, so today we're going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to solder LEDs to a battery source. So if you're interested, keep watching. So this is what we're working with today. This is an old NERF gun that I've painted, and this is a soldering iron. In case you've never seen one of these before, there's an on and off switch and a temperature control. This is a sponge that has water on it, so you can take off any melted metal, and this is just the protective ring when it's heating up. So this is usually where I keep all of my appliances and stuff in. Is a battery pack. Usually we're working with these kinds of batteries. These are the best kind to be using with LEDs because they make them really bright. Just make sure that you're using the right kind of watts and stuff when you're connecting your LEDs to your batteries. They go in like this. So what you will need, where you're going to put your LED lights, your soldering iron, electrical tape, electrical solder, your LEDs. I already have mine in here, but here is an LED strip, batteries, how you're connecting your batteries to your LEDs, and electrical wires. So this is basically all you need to get started. So this is the inside of where I'm putting my LED lights. This is an LED strip. Also in this section here, there is an LED strip. These are also LEDs that are in the front here. So these are negative and positive wires. Usually these wires do not come attached to your LED strip. So these are the LEDs I have inside of here. This is actually an LED strip which has one of these in there, and as you can see, there is a positive and negative symbol on the side, and that is where you will be attaching your electrical wires. Now the electrical wires does not matter what color you use when attaching the positive and negatives, just as long as you know what color is which, so you do not get them mixed up. So here I have already soldered on my positive and negative matches. The best way to test which is to get your battery with its connector using your positive and negative. Usually red is positive and black is negative. So what we're going to do is just to test it, connect red to red, connect blue to black, and there we go. As you can see, our LEDs are shining. In order to get your wires looking like this, rather than looking like this, it's always best to have a wire stripper. Now with the wire strippers, you just match up the size of your wire to the section, press it down, and just pull like that, and then you will get your wire. And this is what we will attach to the negative and positive wires. So once you finish soldering everything, you should have something that looks like this. So we have a button here, and when we press the button, that light turns on, and so do the rest of the blue lights. So when we turn on this, the blue lights turn on, and when we press the internal button, the green and blue lights come on. So I'll just turn off the lights and we can see what it looks like in the dark. So when we press the red button, it turns on and the blue lights illuminate. And again. And when we open up the top nodule, then press the on and off button, we have our green lights going on and off. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. And happy cosplaying! Bye!